Hello friends, today we are going to study about electrical wires. Mainly in three-phase current using color codes. First one, this one red. Red is for L1 phase 1 and yellow one is phase 2, blue one phase 3 and this one black one neutral and this green color is ground or earth. So in this copper wire, copper lead, this copper lead is very cheap. That copper chip is very cheap and very good conductor. uh, for mainly gold is uh, gold is good conductor, gold, and second one silver, and third one copper is very cheap. That is why we are using this copper is good. Copper is electrical in using in electrical wire, and this copper surrounded with this insulator to protect. Insulator will not allow current, not allow passing current. So in two-phase current only using three wires. First one this red wire is phase, and second one neutral black wire, and third one this one earth, green is used for earth. So friends, this is the wires in used in electrical household. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe and share my video. Thank you for watching my video.